Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to email items directly to your Monday.com board. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your workspace. This will bring you to your main Monday.com dashboard where you can see all your boards and projects. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel of your screen. You'll see a list of all your available boards. Click on the specific board you want to set up for email integration. This is the board where any emailed items will automatically be added, so make sure you're selecting the right one before moving forward. Now that you're inside the board, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a three-dotted menu icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up the board's configuration panel where you can customize various features and integrations. Inside the Settings panel, look for the option labeled Create Items via Email and click on it. This feature is what allows you to generate a unique email address for your board. Any message sent to this address will automatically create a new item on your board, making it incredibly convenient for adding tasks or requests without manually logging into Monday.com every time. Once you've accessed this section, you'll see the unique email address that Monday.com has generated for your board. Go ahead and click Copy to save this email address to your clipboard. This is the address you'll be using whenever you want to send items to this board via email. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your preferred email service. Once your email loads up, click Compose to start creating a new message. This is where you'll be sending your test email or actual item to the Monday.com board. In the recipient field, paste the copied board email address that you got from Monday.com earlier. Then enter a subject line for your email. The subject you type here will become the name of the item that gets created on your board, so make it clear and descriptive. After you've filled in the recipient and subject, go ahead and paste any additional information you want to include in the body of the email. This content will be added as details to the item on your Monday.com board. Once everything looks good, click Send, and that's it. You've successfully set up email integration with your Monday.com board and sent your first item via email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.